Today we discuss the Thales theorem of a triangle. What is the Thales theorem? Thales theorem is a theorem of a triangle. This is a property. So this is a triangle. ABC is a triangle, and ABC is a triangle, and EF is perpendicular to AD and AC, and DG is perpendicular to AF and AB. So given that, so where is our given that ED parallel to BC, and we prove what we prove? We prove AE divided by EB equal to AD divided by DC. That means AE divided by EB, AD divided by DC. Okay. At first, from triangle ADE, from triangle ADE, okay, from triangle ADE. AD is, so what we find from AD? So area of ADE means area of ADE half into base into height, this is the half into base into height. This is the area of a triangle. Base, what is the base of ADE? What is the base of ADE? What is the base of AD? Base of AD. What is the base of AD? Base of AD is AE. AE is the base of ADE, and height is GD. Because GD is a perpendicular to AE. GD is perpendicular to AE. So AE is the base, and GD is the height. So what is the area of ADE? So what is the area of ADE? Area. What is the area of ADE? Half into base. What is the base? Base is AE, and height is GD, because GD is perpendicular to AE. That's why GD is a height of AE. GD is a height of triangle AED. Okay. Now triangle from BDE. This is the triangle BDE. This is the triangle. Now triangle from BDE. So now the triangle from BDE. What is the base of triangle BDE? BDE base is, what is the base of triangle BDE? BDE base is BE. BE is the base of BDE, triangle BDE. Why B is the base of triangle BDE? Because DG is the height perpendicular to the line BE, and BE and AB is the same line. That's why DG is the perpendicular to AB. So DG is the height of triangle DEB. Okay. So triangle BDE. So triangle BDE. So triangle BDE. So triangle BDE area half into base. What is the base? Base is the BE. Base is the BE. BE is the base. B is the base. Okay. And height. Height is the same DG. Height is the same DG. Height is the same DG. Because B is the base and AB is the B is a line and A is a line. So BE into height DG. Height DG. Okay. So divided by triangle area ADE divided by triangle BDE equal to, ये तो कट जाएगा, हाफ ए इंटू जी टी, हाफ इंटू बी इंटू जी. So DG half is cut. So AE by BE. AE by BE. Okay. AE by BE. This is the equation number 1. Now similarly we take the two triangle. This is the one triangle, this is the one triangle, and another triangle is BCD, and one triangle is AED. Now we work of the two triangle AED and two triangle BEC. Here you see that triangle AED and triangle BDC have the same base. DC is the base of triangle BDC and AD is the base of triangle AED. So the triangle triangle AED. So the triangle AED, area of AED equal to half into base. What is the base? AED. What is the base AED? AED base is AD. And height is EF. Height is EF. Okay. And similarly triangle ABCD, similarly triangle BDC. This triangle area BDC equal to half into BDC triangle area. What is the BDC triangle area? This is the base, half into base DC into height. What is the height? Height is the EF, because DC and AC is the same line. DC and AC is the same line. So EF is the height of AC, and similarly EF is the height of DC. So through triangle BDC, height EF is the height of triangle BDC. Okay. So we may divide the area of triangle AED and triangle area BDC equal to EF cross AD by DC. AD by DC. Okay. This is the question number 2. So what we get? We get two equations. One equation is triangle area of ADE, area of BDE equal to AE divided by BE, and another equation is triangle AED divided by BDC equal to AD divided by DC. This is the two equation. So if what we prove that? We prove that left hand side and right hand side, if we equal, if we prove that the left equation 1 and 2 are equal, then our proof is complete. So we know the theorem that if we know the theorem that this is a triangle, BED, and this is a triangle BED, and this is the another triangle EDC. Two triangle has same base. Same base is ED. ED is the same base. One triangle is BED, one triangle is BDE, has base ED, D is the base, and another triangle is EDC. This base is D. Two triangle is same base, and two triangle is between the two line ED and BC. ED and BC, two lines are parallel. ED and BC are two line are parallel, and two triangle EDB and triangle ECD has same base, and two triangle in line between two parallel line ED and BC. That's why two triangle have same area. So understand? So triangle BDE, and triangle BDC have same area, because two triangle has same base, and angle between two triangle between same parallel, between two parallel lines. Okay, that's why the two triangles have same area. So if BDC and DBD have same area, so 1 and 2 are equal. If 1 and 2 equal, imply that AE divided by BE equal to AD divided DC. Proved.